Title Design just got smarter. Canva joins ChatGPT. Canva is now integrated inside ChatGPT, allowing users to create logos, social media posts, presentations, and even websites seamlessly. To access Canva, simply go to the GPT store, click on Explore GPTs, and search for Canva. Make sure to select the official one by canva.com, which has millions of uses. Once found, click Start Chat to begin. From there, you can generate graphic designs by typing prompts like, "Create me a graphic image for Twitter about technology trends." ChatGPT will instantly generate design options that open directly in your Canva account for easy editing and downloading. Beyond images, you can also create videos by prompting "Create a video about travel tips," and it will generate multiple templates with different aspect ratios that you can customize within Canva before publishing or downloading. Surprisingly, Canva inside ChatGPT also allows you to build websites. By entering a prompt such as "Create a simple website for my online bookstore," ChatGPT will present multiple design options, which can be previewed, edited, and accessed via a public preview link. While this integration offers convenience for those already using ChatGPT, some may find it slightly clunky compared to using Canva directly. However, it streamlines workflow by keeping everything within one interface. So what do you think? Would you use Canva inside ChatGPT, or do you prefer using Canva directly? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates.